Hey everyone, welcome to another video. Before it begins, I want to mention that only a small portion of my viewers that watch my videos are actually subscribed, so if you enjoyed this video and want to see similar content, consider subscribing. It's free and you can always change your mind.
Shape, and if you're driving light, you're not going to want to drive on it. Whoa! God bless!
Appliance. They've got 3 locations: Denver, Louisville, and Fort Collins, or you can always check them out online at buyfromsa.com.
That guy just blew through that light and the cop was chasing him.
I absolutely love my dog, but the constant shedding,
Whoa.
not so much.
Did you see that cop chasing that guy?
Yeah,
He blew right through that light. I saw him coming. This car started going forward because our light changed.
That could have gone bad.
That would have been very bad. As fast as that dude was going, that would have been really bad.
You okay, bud?
Yeah. Oh, it's upside down.
Here's $20. I'll pick you up at 10, and that's the most that we would spend. Now, inflation's probably like
Idiot!
Now it's 30.
Now it's 30.
Yeah, you know, that was dinner, like you said, a trip to Sam Goody, and I don't know if that's how it is anymore.
Let me.
Yeah,
Something just came to.
Oh
God.
Oh gosh. Oh my God.
Teka. Ano muna tayo?
Doesn't have a stamp on it, so.
Dude. Is everybody okay? Are you okay? Is everybody okay?
Hello?
Your passenger. Hi, where are you? I'm across from HomeGoods.
One second.
Hello? Hello? I am across from HomeGoods. HomeGoods? Hello? 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 Hello?
But where they were at, it is not legal. So they're going to get into some serious trouble. In hibernation, sleeping, joyous weekend. No, it's better. Why don't we just trick it with some food? Let it come out here in plain sight when, no, I'm your friend. Why don't we fake call that I'm one of you, right? That's definitely a little bit better.
What a horrible dad. Come here, son.
What the f is wrong with you?
is your plate, you fool? Fool! JLB 1994. HGU 3879. What's your problem? You're on camera. You're on camera. That's assault.
I don't care. It's
I
30 miles an hour.
I have your
You're
plate.
tailgating.
I have your plate. You're going. Cops are coming to your house.
Yeah.
Takes the right 2 lanes to exit right to exit 39, Stanford 60 West, FM International, Clearwater.
Hey, he's drunk. He's drunk as yeah, he's drunk or something. Something's wrong.
There's something wrong with him. Someone's called 911. Hey,
you okay?
We need 911. 275. Oh, there's a cop coming. I don't know what's wrong with this guy. I don't know if he's drunk or if like something happened to him. But he just like, I think he's wasted. I think he's drunk.
I think he is.
I think the guy's drunk. He just literally. There's a.
I got the whole video.
You did? Okay.
He almost rear-ended me.
No, I was right behind you.
Scared the shit out of me.
I'm sorry. The guy, there was a guy driving and he like swerved in front of the car in front of me and I backed up because I saw him swerving all over the road, and then next thing you know, he just cut over into like 2 to 3 different lanes and just ran into the wall. There's one officer here right now. It's in an undercover car or whatever.
Hey, bud, hang tight. You ain't getting out.
Okay.
Man, you want to do this? I got a dash cam.
my car.
Whoa! No, dude!
Holy. 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 Dude. I think it might have. I don't know.
Bro. That sucks, dude. Hey, I would have.
I thought I was on the bumper over there.
Yeah.
Next thing I knew, I'm off.
I would recommend calling a tow truck or something, because if not, you're gonna f that axle, and that's gonna cost you a couple $1,000 bucks.
It's already coming.
I mean,
No way my underneath survived.
I mean, it could, as long as you don't rock it back and forth, it should be okay, but you don't want to break that axle. But that sucks.
No, don't do that. Are you serious? Like,
Oh, yeah.
Lessons. And in that moment, you know, I'm thankful that I had this insight and I realized that we're talking about the past. And the past is truly the past. In that moment, I realized that with any situation, with any or event that really not every opportunity, every
Did you seriously just do that?
Slow down. Slow down. Slow down. Slow down. Slow down. Slow down. You better get out. Go, get out of the road. Get out of your car, get out of the road. Hurry, get behind the guardrail. Very careful. You'll spin out. There's a truck jackknifed up here. It's straight ice. I mean, I'd watch this car even coming behind you. They might not be able to stop.
You can't get through it all?
You might be able to, but it's very dangerous. I'm spun out in the yellow truck down there. I was going 10 miles an hour and there's just nothing you can do. I'd watch these cars flying.
Oh, look, he's really done damage as well.
Oh, he has too.
It's really fucked up. Yeah,
The whole suspension's gone.
Yeah.
Just go past him.
I am. Oh dear. Oh, naughty boy.
Gotta eat to live, gotta still to eat. Tell you all about it when I got the time. One shot.
Darn! Man! Oh! Oh my god. Oh.
Wow.
Son of a...
Starting 911 call. To cancel, press the 911 button on the mirror.
The suspects behind the latest plot will stand trial in Jordan. A university suspends all 14 fraternities in the wake of a
hell was that? Oh, shit.
What the was that?
Chúng bé đẹp quá. Wow, lý trẻ. Hay thì có được trung can cổ của bạn.
Uh-oh, retard alert! Retard alert!
I ain't got no problem with nothing, man.
Watch your mother mouth how you talk to me, dumb.
Say nothing to you, did I? And you on film, idiot. Well, you gonna be on YouTube, you stupid. Hey, say hi, YouTube. What a moron. I got a phone, I can stare at it while I'm driving. I'm a genius. Yo! You're a genius, baby. I don't think I've ever met anybody as smart as you.
In the shadow of a wind turbine that's taller than the statue of Liberty. His job is to scrap 7 turbines left over from one of Nebraska's first wind farms. Over 200,000 pounds of material.
Taking things apart is difficult. Took a lot of energy to put it together. It's going to take a lot to take it apart. This job in particular, there are 100 semi-loads of material that need to be removed.
Oh, yeah. So
Sorry.
You got your signal light on. Okey-dokey. What are you doing? You f***ing idiot. Jesus Christ. Like, don't look at all. Just pull right out in front of people. You f***ing monkey.
Tómalo como rutina y a la vez tu medicina. Esa letra se cocina y se sirve en tu cocina. Dale para lo que ya está por llegar. ¿Cómo vas a enseñarle al cura a rezar? Yo me aplico pa'l brinco, estoy listo, me activo y a tiro movido. Encaro el camino.
Oh, you totally hit that guy.
Whoa! You mother! Get the out!
What the? That's not safe.
Nope.
I could have died. Oh, that's a police officer.
Yeah.
Oh, is he gonna pull him over? Oh yeah, he's gonna get him. Oh man. Oh, he's not happy.
Yep, he's pulling him over.
You got him.
For passing us.
Yeah. Oh, but don't wait. Let the cars go by. Oh, you can't do that. I've never had that happen.
Said to the people, shout, for the Lord has given you the city. Now in verse 20. So the people shouted, and the priest blew the trumpet.
17 Super Duties in stock right here, right now.
And talk about a deal. New 16 Ford F-150.
That's another dash cam dummy for the day. I gotta save that one too. Whoa. Jesus Christ, what are you doing? Okay. Jesus Christ. Oh my God.
Three girls and 2 boys. Only one Vexelbog among them. It might be a recipe for disaster if they can't overcome the disparity. The D's have a new program that they have been dying to implement. It might help chronicling the achievements of engineers and highlighting the construction of the Archangel. To the members of Alpha Class, just watching the vids was pretty cool. I think we can download these on our tablets. Ron fiddled with his. That would be kind of cool. I didn't even know these were made. Tina also pulled out her tablet.
Are you okay?
Hey, tip, sweet. Oh, holy I caught that on camera.
He crunched her big time.
Holy.
Don't say that now.
Sorry, that scared the crap out of me. Oh my God, I got that on camera.
You'll have to go around them because they're going to be.
Should I call 911?
No.
Holy crap. Woo.
That's what you get, you That's what you get, you idiot. That's what you get, you idiot. You're a idiot. You almost caused me to crash. Well, that wasn't very smart of you. I'm not the one that got hit. I'm okay. That wasn't very smart of you, was it?
Well,
what happened there?
it just happened, man.
It happens?
Look, I don't have an answer for you, bro, okay?
Well,
You get answers out of me about stuff.
you,
I don't have an answer.
do you have any passengers? No. No passengers. So you shouldn't have even been in the...
Sorry?
So you shouldn't have even been in the HOV lane. Wow. Is that the person you hit?
I don't know.
Oh yeah. Hey, listen. Fortunately, I didn't get hit, but I have it all recorded on camera because it happened right in front of me. I'm gonna go, but you want to take my information down? I have it all on camera.
Yeah, please.
Yeah, just take my info down.
Ross?
Russ with a U.
Russ. Thank you, Russ.
You're welcome. Just text me and if anything.
You didn't see the car that pushed me into your lane, did you?
The car that, well no, but the camera caught everything, so we'll see what happens.
Cool. But when I came by you, I got pushed into that lane, bro.
Well, you first.
Otherwise I would have hit him.
What I saw, you were behind me. You tried passing me, and there wasn't enough space for you, so I
got out of the lane.
Well,
got pushed over.
You shouldn't have even been in the. You shouldn't have even been in the HOV lane.
Okay.
Yeah.
Okay, whatever.
I'm just saying it's all on camera.
No, whatever you gotta say, dude.
She has my info. If you want to take my info down too.
You can do whatever you want.
No, I'm just saying she has my info. If you want my info, I have it all on camera. If you want to see the footage.
Perfect. Well, no, it's all good. I'm calling my insurance company, and it's all good.
Okay, good.
Yeah.
Make sure you text me because you're gonna need that.
Pushed over.
Okay. I'll see what happens.
Well, that's cool.
Yeah. No, I gotta go though. So you guys take care of it. You got my information.
You got the information. I need it.
Huh?
That's great. You got the information because I'm gonna need it.
I just told you if you want my info, I'll give you my info.
You got it, right? Yeah, I'll get it.
Okay.
Have a great day.
You too.